Welcome to the podcast. Today we have a distinct privilege of hosting a leading voice in finance, management education, and policy making, Professor M.S. Sriram. Professor M.S. Sriram is a faculty member at IIM Bangalore, and he also brings a significant public policy making experience through his work with the Reserve Bank of India. Uh, As students of MDM Murshidabad are preparing to step into the corporate world, what is the one piece of advice which would you like to give to our students?
Well, one piece of advice that I'd like to share is to be professional. One thing that is very clear when you get into the corporate world is people will evaluate you on how good you are. And first level of evaluation is, are you punctual? Are you there when you're expected to do the work? Are you ready to deliver and so on? So I think the first test you need to pass is that you're there before you actually do anything. So I guess that's the first step, that you need to be there, you need to step up. And the corporate world is also not a 9 to 5 world, and there is always a lot of expectations which goes beyond. And you'll be judged by how well you respond and how quickly you stand up. And in the early part of your career, it is better that you invest a lot of time in professional work and try to find alternative spots of chilling. If you want to chill, you need to find your slots of chilling rather than saying that I'm going to chill only on a Sunday. You need to figure out how you can chill on a Monday morning or a Tuesday afternoon as well.
How do you see MDM Murshidabad contributing to the broader landscape of Indian management education?
Well, like all other business schools, it is contributing, and MDI Murshidabad will contribute in its own way. I think locationally, it is in a very interesting place, which is away from the city, and therefore there is a lot of ethos that you could get because of your location significance. And I think part of it is also looking at what sort of projects students pick up and what you guys would do as you go along. And what sort of an industry you're connecting with. So I guess the locational uniqueness is something that you need to get in place.